Welcome to Module 7.13, Purpose in Research. In this session, we'll explore how purpose shapes the research process, from question formulation to dissemination of findings. While methodology and ethics receive considerable attention in research training, the fundamental question of why we conduct research often receives less explicit focus. We'll examine various dimensions of purpose, how to align purpose across stakeholders, and how purpose directly influences the questions we ask. Understanding the role of purpose helps researchers conduct more meaningful work that serves both knowledge advancement and broader societal needs. Research serves multiple purposes simultaneously. Scientific advancement involves expanding theoretical understanding, filling knowledge gaps, or resolving contradictions in existing literature. Practical application focuses on developing solutions to real-world problems, from technologies to interventions to improved practices. Policy influence aims to inform decision-making by providing evidence that can guide regulations, programs, or resource allocation. Community benefit prioritizes addressing the needs and improving the well-being of specific populations through research partnerships and outcomes. Personal and professional growth recognizes that research also serves researchers themselves, developing skills, advancing careers, and satisfying intellectual curiosity. These dimensions are not mutually exclusive, but rather represent different facets of purpose that may receive varying emphasis across different research projects and contexts. Successful research often requires aligning purpose across multiple stakeholders. Individual researcher motivations provide the personal drive essential for sustaining effort through challenges, ideally connecting to deeper values beyond career advancement. Institutional missions establish broader contexts for research, potentially emphasizing particular approaches, topics, or outcomes aligned with organizational values. Funding priorities reflect what external agencies or organizations are willing to support financially, sometimes constraining or directing research focus. Community needs represent what affected populations actually want or require from research, which may differ from what researchers initially assume. Disciplinary goals channel research toward questions and approaches valued within particular fields or traditions. The challenge lies in finding sufficient alignment across these sometimes competing priorities to create research with coherent purpose that can satisfy multiple stakeholders without compromising integrity or relevance. Purpose directly influences the questions researchers ask and how they approach them. Understanding how purpose shapes questions helps researchers become more intentional about their choices. Recognizing that different purposes may lead to fundamentally different inquiries even within the same topic area. Explicit purpose articulation involves clearly stating why a study is being conducted, not just what it aims to investigate, helping both researchers and audiences evaluate its value. Stakeholder input and purpose ensures research serves those it claims to benefit by involving them in defining why the research matters and what it should accomplish. Ensuring purpose method alignment means selecting approaches that can actually fulfill the stated purpose, avoiding mismatches between aspirations and research design. Finally, evaluating purpose achievement extends assessment beyond methodological quality to whether the research accomplished what it set out to do in meaningful terms. Together, these practices create more purposeful research that explicitly connects questions to their intended impact.